Meaning of gardening leave.
Gardening leave.
Gardening leave.
Gardening leave.
Gardening leave. Gardening leave refers to a period of time when an employee is asked by their employer to stay away from work while they are still under contract. During this time, the employee remains on the payroll but is not required to perform any work duties. The purpose of gardening leave is typically to prevent the employee from having access to sensitive information or clients during the notice period before they leave the company, in order to reduce the risk of them using that information to benefit a competitor.